Hi, it's Jana Eubank with Simple Stories. Here is Scrapbook.com to show you the Fall Farmhouse Collection. If there is a favorite time of year for me, it's fall, and I love this collection because it embodies everything that I love about fall. You have the beautiful colors of orange and green mixed in with the really unique shades of dark teal and sky blue. I love that these colors are mixed together in this collection. Let's take a look at the papers. First up, we have this one with all of the beautiful blooms. I love the peach added in, and look, the flowers have wheat stalks and berries, just really cute. On the other side of that sheet is this beautiful pumpkin orange dot, a great basic to mix in with your other patterns. This is one of my favorite florals from this collection. It's got the sky blue background with the deep teal flowers, and they're just these little small posies that are so sweet. On the back side of this one is a tone-on-tone deep teal gingham. We gotta love our gingham checks at fall, right? Speaking of that, here's a pumpkin orange gingham check, a larger scale pattern, and on the back of that is a deep teal polka dot. I love all of the typography on this paper with the words that say pumpkins, harvest, autumn, thankful, and they have this worn wood grain pattern to them that makes them really unique and fun for fall. Of course, you got to play with the plaids, right? We've got plaid shirts and plaid blankets and plaid tablecloths that fall. Just really beautiful with all those colors. This paper has wreaths. You've got the leaf wreaths, the foliage leaves, berry wreaths on that really pretty blue background. This other side of this paper has this great wood plank pattern. This is great for those pattern papers, and it reminds me of the pumpkin patch with all the pumpkins stacked up in those wood crates. So cute. This paper has a tone-on-tone leaf pattern, perfect for backgrounds, or maybe you want to make a gift box with that. This multicolored stripe ties all the colors together, and I just love all the variations in widths. This paper features all different colors of pumpkins. I love that you've got your ghost pumpkins and your gray pumpkins. There's even apples sprinkled here and there, so if you like to go apple picking in the fall, this collection's perfect for that too. Another gingham check in this trendy dark color. This paper has lots of words on it, and I love that you could cut these out and use them as little accents on your project. What's great is it has a wood grain peeking through and just feels like those farm stand signs. On the other side of this one is this galvanized metal type pattern. I think this would be a great background as well. All of the element papers are so adorable. First up, we have our 2x2 elements. You can see that there's really fun icons and sayings in this collection, like "You are the pick of the patch," the beautiful florals. Check out this striped sweater, isn't that cute? "You pick pumpkins," "Farm fresh memories," "Pumpkin spice," "A chill is in the air." So cute. And on the back of that is another tone-on-tone pattern with this really sweet quadrant dot. Here's a look at the 3x4 elements. I love that we got the farm signs, the pie on the scale, "Happy Fall, y'all." Of course, you got this adorable mug like the ones you see in the stores these days. And I just love this cozy rocking chair. It makes me want to sit on the porch with a friend and have a nice chat. The other side is this really pretty moss and cream plaid. I love that you've got the dot stripe running through. The 4x4 elements feature more of the icons from this collection, like the adorable truck filled with pumpkins. We've got a great journaling spot, "Gather here with grateful hearts," and of course those adorable apples. I love that there's leaves still on the stems of the apples, like you just plucked it off the tree. Look at this floral. I love this one too. It's got the oranges and yellows, the peach color, and even some green flowers, and it's got a wood grain peeking through. Finally, we have the 4x6 elements, some really nice big title type cards, some vertical designs, and then lots of places for journaling. The back of this paper has this really pretty yellow wheat colored pattern with little wheat stalks and little stitched lines running through. Really cute. All those papers are included in the collection kit, and with that you also get the 12x12 combo cardstock stickers. I love the wood signs, the vertical signs, the pumpkin and candles on the candlesticks. Of course, that adorable farm truck just brimming with all the pumpkins. Look at the fun script words that would be great for building titles or card sentiments. And then we have all of our phrases and words here at the bottom. Of course, you can buy that on separately from the papers as well if you'd like. There's so many fun embellishments that go along with this collection as well. Let's take a look at those. I love working with die cuts, and what's awesome about this collection is it comes with 2 different sets. There's the icon bits and pieces that feature all of the fun icons throughout the collection, like this adorable rocking chair. Look at the pretty florals, all the leaves, everything you love about fall. This collection would be great for your Thanksgiving celebrations, maybe your fall drives, or just having friends over for a cozy gathering. The other pack of bits and pieces is all about journaling. You have many wonderful journaling shapes to add dates and titles and names and places all in your scrapbooking. You got labels and frames, different shapes like circles. There's even words and phrases included. Dimensional items are really fun to add to your projects, like this chipboard set. It adds a bit of depth and texture to your project as you add all the different kinds of embellishments. Another fun way to get some layers and textures into your project is by adding in dimensional things like the enamel dots. These add a bit of shine, and it's almost like you're adding catch lights to your project when you use the enamel dots. I love the paper bow clips with their fun little fluffy bows. These would be great to add to the top of a special photo, or maybe call attention to some hidden journaling. We have a coordinating stamp set for all of you stampers out there, and lots of fun phrases on this one, like happy fall, y'all, pumpkins, give thanks, so thankful. And what's so cute about this is you have the back end or the tailgate of a truck, and all of these phrases fit right in there. We have pumpkins and apples and leaves and flowers, and the wreath at the top also has a place for you to stamp those sentiments as well. Really fun set. If you like to die cut out your stamped images, we have a coordinating die set. Another fun thing to add to your projects is our mixed media techniques, and just take a look at this gorgeous stencil with all of those leaves. Wouldn't that be fun with some gold mist? The mini sticker tablets will give you a lot of bang for your buck. There are 12 sheets in this tablet, and it includes everything you need, like icons, the squares, circles and flags and labels. I really like to use these on cards or when I'm journaling, even when I'm doing my calendar. Maybe you have a bullet journal you want to add them to, and they're low profile, they're flat profile, make it great for those kinds of projects. Take a look at those wood grain words. You can build your own flower clusters with these flower stickers. Love the cute little signs. More of those square labels that are perfect for adding to the seal of your envelope. And colorful words and phrases. We also had those typed phrases that are so fun to add in here and there on your embellishment clusters. And take a look at this. We even have a coordinating letter sticker set. We also have a 6x8 paper pad. This size is perfect for you to use in your 6x8 snap binders, but it's also great for card makers. I even use this pad when I'm scrapbooking. I love to cut out these large elements and use them as titles on my pages. There's just a lot of fun you can have with this. And the really wonderful thing about this is you get 12 designs, 2 each. They're all double-sided, and they're versatile to use in any kind of project that you're working on. One of my favorite things is there's also 2 sheets of the 3x4 cards in these pads that are specifically made for card makers. So if you like to make multiples of cards, you have those in there, or you can split that pad with a friend. Finally, we have our adorable washi tape set with 3 different rolls, so you don't have to decide which one to pick. You get all 3. There's a floral, the gingham check that's nice and trendy right now, and of course this adorable multicolored stripe. That's the Fall Farmhouse Collection. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.